The best way to start making a passive income as a complete beginner. And the good part, this concept is not saturated. You see, this YouTube channel is making around $300 a month with just uploading audiobook summaries, and I'll show how you can create this type of content within minutes. Simply go to dupdub.com, use the text-to-speech tool, open a new file, and get started. I'll ask the AI to write a summary about the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Once your text is generated, you'll have a few options like making the text shorter, longer, adjust the tone, or translate it. For the audio, I am choosing an English-American voice spoken by Albie Wood in a friendly manner. Also, you can generate the text using multiple voices with the multi-speaker tool. Now, hit the preview button to create the audio. If you'd like to prefer your own voice as audio, you can, with using the voice cloning tool. Moving on, go to the video editing tool, import your audio, and create a video. Once finished, you put the same video into the transcription tool to generate subtitles. All by all, here's how it turned out.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki. The book revolves around Kiyosaki's experiences and the lessons he learned from his too influential father.